Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Apple could launch the iPhone 17 Ultra model in place of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, with new exclusive features and characteristics. iPhone 17 Pro Max replacement launching soon. Here are the top 5 new upgrades of the iPhone 17 Ultra model. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. What if we say Apple may not launch the Pro Max model this year? Well, this speculation will soon come to reality as a new Ultra variant is in the works. After the Plus variant, the iPhone 17 Pro Max may also get a replacement with a new iPhone 17 Ultra model, which will offer greater specifications and features than the iPhone 17 Pro. These exclusive features may only be accessed by people who choose to buy the iPhone 17 Ultra. Here are 5 things we know about the Ultra model so far. Number 1. As reported earlier, the iPhone 17 Ultra could feature a redesigned dynamic island, which will be smaller in size. Reports suggest that limited units of display with the new dynamic island design are being manufactured, only for the high-end iPhone 17 model. Therefore, this new display may not come to the iPhone 17 Pro model. Number 2. Last week, several reports surrounding Apple's plans for testing the vapor chamber technology came forward. Now we expect that the company may reserve this advanced thermal management technology for the iPhone 17 Ultra model. This could also bring advantages to smartphones' performance for heavy task management. Number 3. Design leaks have highlighted that the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which will likely be known as iPhone 17 Ultra during launch, is thicker in measurement, which could house a bigger battery, offering greater battery life than previous generation models. Number 4. We also expect that Apple may offer 12 GB of RAM for the iPhone 17 Ultra variant, bringing better AI processing, smooth performance, and storage. This would also be a significant boost, as for many years we have been seeing the same 8 GB of RAM, where some competitors are also offering 16 GB of RAM storage. Number 5. We also expect some exclusive camera upgrades to the iPhone 17 Ultra variant. While it is not certain what upgrades could come, we believe Apple may plan to bring some advanced periscope telephoto capabilities to the smartphone. Other smartphone upgrades includes new Apple AI capabilities, improved iOS 19, powerful Apple A19 Pro chipset, and improved battery capacity. It is expected that the new iPhone 17 line will officially in September 2025. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.